Okay. If I was a bird, I would take you places that you never thought you'd go before. And when you saw all those pieces of heaven, you would never doubt this life again. You'd see the light in the darkest places. You'd spread love to all those who need it and more. You'd see what I used to see. And when I get tired and weary, I'd pray you do the same for me, please. Carry the love I've lost. If I was a bird, I would sing you sweet songs that would ease your worries before you sleep. And when you woke, you'd be lying in feathers, a little gift from me to you. You'd wake with a burst of life. You wouldn't fear to say goodbye. Spirit like mine I've now lost. When I fear and hide under covers, pray you would help me rediscover the sun in the blue skies. All I want is to give you everything, but all I have is a dream of you and me, and songs to sing, and every note that's in between, and you. I'd give you me. If I was a bird,